Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to switch to default text box function on the Top War Battle game application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen. Tap to the settings button at the bottom of the page and click to the settings. Here you can find the switch to default text box option under the convenient decoration placement function. And if you want to enable, just click to the next green circle. And this enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.